Gentle hermoine. I'm saying that wrong, but just bloomed. It's tiny, but it is the first year, so there's a lot of buds over here. Gentle hermione. There you go. That's how you pronounce it. I just remembered. Okay, I missed the blooms last year. So I'm going to show you something really quick. See them. There's birds in there. Okay. I hope the mother didn't kill them. There was 4 of them in there. Maybe they're sleeping. My Maurice Utrillo. My Charlotte is opening. My princess. My princess Alexandria of Kent. And this one is Charles Darwin. I'm loving Charles Darwin. Look how big the blooms on Golden Celebration. I planted all of these that I'm showing you late last year. These were my sales, my rose sales from the garden. It was buy 2 get 1 free. Look how huge this is. And it has like little tones of pink. Apricot and pink. Look, apricot, and then it's edged in a little light pink. So pretty. And I DoorDashed my coffee. Haven't done that in 4 weeks. Although they do have DoorDash in Portugal. Or is it Uber Eats? Well, one of those services. And my weeks of roses open, and they're ruffled. I've had this one for 3 years, but I never noticed how ruffled it was. Reminds me of Jasmina, which is what I wanted to get, but I don't know if I want it now. Okay. I saw 2 big giant rats, and I don't mean mice, rats, just coming across here and went over there. The first one had something orange in his mouth and went into, oh, it's there. Oh boy. It's right there. Oh, well, it was there. They're fixing the roads, And if I scream, it's because of that. They're fixing the roads, and they're upsetting. Everything's coming into the houses. And, oh, there it is. Oh, well, it wasn't that big. Maybe it's a baby rat. It went that way. Okay. I think this tour is going to be over. Okay. And this is my Graham Thomas. They all fell off with the rain. All the blooms fell off with the rain. But how exquisite is this one? That reminds me of Jude the Obscure, which is what I wanted, a yellow one. That was, I was thinking about getting Jude the Obscure. Now I don't know if I want that one either. Okay. Oops. A little edgy. Okay. My James Austen. Still going strong. And my Fun in the Sun. I'm not going over there. Because I have to scream for my life. That one's doing well. I'm definitely not going near Desdemona. I know the rat is over there. Look how huge my peace rose is. How huge is that? That has to be like 6 inches across. I should get my tape measure. Maybe tomorrow. This one looks even more ginormous. And a lot of the rain destroyed some of these blooms, but that's okay. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Right. Well, I wanted to show you the little nest over there. I think it's songbirds. Let me wake them up. Oops. The parents are around, so I don't want to disturb them. I don't want the parents to be like, why are those crazy people around my babies?